This is how the Sadoer product looks like out of the box. Yeah, the first video was when they were in the box. You can see the sunscreen. No. You can see the mask. What I'm happy about the mask is the fact that there are 20 sachets in that box. So basically, in this one sachet, I used my sister's one. You can do these 2 nights. So basically, that box can serve you for a month or something. And let's say if you're traveling, you don't have to carry the entire box. You can just look at the days you're traveling and just carry the number of sachets you need rather than having to carry the entire thing. The face lotion is manageable. The bottle can fit in that bag of ours. This one here, this one. Yeah, and the cleanser. Now, what I like about the cleanser, unlike the Garnier cleanser, which comes in a bottle, this one at least is easy to carry around in case you're traveling. Yeah, the serum as well. Yeah, that is how it looks like when it's out of the box. It's just like the other. It has the same type of bottle with the others. The the one that I was using before was Dr. Rachel. Is it Dr. Rachel or I can't remember, but it's a Dr. somebody. And then the face toner. Yeah, the other one I was using was a spray type. This one is not a spray type, and this bottle is easy to carry around. And of course, my hand cream. My hand cream is there. My lip balm. My lip balm is there, and then the eye cream. Yeah, I've actually applied the eye cream. I'm still waiting to see whether it reacts with my body. Yeah, there. Look at those. That's how the product looks like. Cheers.